YouTube. This video will be taking a look at how to show card lock screen notifications on the Samsung Galaxy S26 Ultra. This will work for the S26 Ultra, S26, and the S26 Plus as well. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching. So if you want to turn on card lock screen notifications for your S26 series of phones, thankfully it's pretty easy to do so. The first thing that you want to do is actually jump into your settings. Once you're in your settings, you want to scroll down and you want to look for notifications. And then from there, what you want to do is hit notifications. From there, what you want to do is scroll down and you want to look for lock screen. After you hit lock screen, you want to make sure that show notifications is turned on and you want to hit cards there, and then you'll be able to see card lock screen notifications. And there you have it, everyone. Just a quick tip on how to show card lock screen notifications for your Samsung Galaxy S26 series of phones. If you like this kind of content or find this kind of content helpful, leave a message down below. Don't forget to subscribe, and thanks for watching.